pinagdiriwan natin ngayon, hindi lamang ang narating ng equity machineries, kundi pati na rin ang mga relasyon na ating nabuo sa pagitan ng mga kasamahan sa trabaho, kliyente at mga kasyoso. Ang bawat koneksyon ay mayroong mahalagang papel sa ating kwento.
Kubota and Equity have built a strong partnership based on trust and shared goals. Together, we have helped farmers across the country by providing high-quality Kubota machinery, improving efficiency and productivity. More than just business partners, we are working together to build a better future for Philippine agriculture. As we celebrate this golden anniversary, we also look ahead. The challenges in agriculture are changing, and we must adapt to keep growing. At Kubota, we are committed to strengthening our partnership with Equity, embracing new technologies, and continuing to support farmers.
Customers and partners, your trust and support have been our greatest motivation. Kung wala po ang inyong tiwala, hindi din po namin makakamit ang tagumpay na ito.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat din sa mga tagatangkilik o customer na tumangkilik sa Equity, lalo na sa sektor ng agrikultura na pinangunahan ng ating mga kaibigan, Apo Manlalon. Kung wala sila, walang Equity.
Uncle, kung nasaan po kayo, I am very proud na you are my uncle. You are our chairman of the board. You are our founder, our Sir BBT.
And raise a toast to the man who founded Equity Machineries Incorporated, the pride and joy of the Taktay family. Uncle, Attorney Taktay, cheers! Toast to his honor.